अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। थैंक यू। टुडे वी डिस्कस क्लास 9th exercise 1.4 and question 5. Now let's start question 5. In question 5 there are three matrices: A matrix, which is -1 3 2 and 0, and B matrix, which is 1 2 -3 -5, and the third is C matrix, which is 2 1 1 and 3. And we verify the some values. The first part is which we verify is AB is equal to BA. Now we write the matrices A, B and then solve them. Now the first is A, which is -1 3 2 0, and the B matrix is 1 2 -3 -5 is equal to the on the right side matrix BA. We write first B 1 2 -3 -5, and then matrix A, which is -1 3 2 and 0. Now we multiply these two matrices. The left side A into B and the right side is equal to B into A. Now we multiply these two matrices. First we verify first matrix number column 2 and second matrix number of rows 2. On the right side number of matrix of first matrix is 2 and second matrix number of rows are 2. So they both are conformable for multiplication. Now we multiply these values. -1 multiplied by 1 is equal to -1. 3 multiplied by -3 is equal to -9. The second is -1 into 2 is equal to -2. -5 multiplied by 3 is equal to -15. And the second row is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, and 0 multiplied by -3 is equal to +0. And the second row and second column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 0 multiplied by -5 is equal to +0. And now we multiply the matrices BA, which is on the right side. We get 1 multiplied by -1 is equal to -1, plus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now first row with second column is 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to +0. And the second row multiplied with the first column is -3 multiplied by -1 is equal to +3. -5 multiplied by +2 is equal to -10. And the second rows with second column is -3 multiplied by 3 is equal to -9, plus -5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So simplify these two matrices, we get -1 -9 is equal to -10, -2 -15 is equal to -17, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, is equal to, now simplify on the right side, we get -1 plus 4 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. Minus 9 plus 0 is equal to minus 9. And we saw both the matrices are not equal. And we know that AB matrix is not equal to BA matrix. And this is verified by the solution. So verified that AB is not equal to BA. And the second part is A bracket BC is equal to AB into C. In this verification, we first solve the left hand side, which is A bracket B into C. Left hand side is equal to A B into C. The A matrix is minus 1, 3. According to Bodimas rule, first we solve the values which are enclosed in the bracket, which is B into C. The A matrix is same here. We multiply B into C is first row with the first column. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. First row with the second column, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. And second row with the first column, minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 6, minus 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 5. Second row with the second column is minus 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3, minus 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to minus 15. Now we simplify the product of B into C matrix, which is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11, minus 3 minus 15 is equal to minus 18. These are the product of B and C matrix. Now we multiply A matrix with the product of B into C, which is, here is 2 column and 2 row, they are conformable for multiplication. So we multiply first row with the first column. Minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 4. 3 multiplied by minus 11 is equal to minus 33. First column with the second, first row with the second column is minus 1 with multiplied by 7 is equal to minus 7. 3 multiplied by minus 18 is equal to minus 54. And second column with the first row, first row with the second column, first row with the first column, second row with the first column is 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8, plus 0 multiplied by minus 11 is equal to 0. Now second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14, plus 0 multiplied by minus 18 is equal to 0. Now simplify these two values, we get minus 4 minus 33 is equal to minus 37. Minus 7 minus 51 is equal to minus 61. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, and 14 plus 0 is equal to 14. And it is the matrix of A into B multiplied by C. And this is the left hand side of our verification. And now we solve the right hand side of the matrix, which is right hand side is equal to AB matrix into C. We write first matrix A, which is -1 3 2 0, and matrix B is 1 2 -3 -5 bracket close, and the C matrix is 2 1 1 and 3. And we know that Bodemas rule, the values in the bracket enclosed are solved first. So we solve matrix A into matrix B, which is 2 column and 2 row. They are conformable for multiplication. So first row with first column is -1 into 1 is equal to -1. 3 multiplied by -3 is equal to -9. First row with the second column is -1 multiplied by 2 is equal to -2. 3 multiplied by -5 is equal to -15. Second row with first column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 plus 0 multiplied by -3 is equal to 0. So second row with second column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 plus 0 multiplied by -5 is equal to 0. And matrix C is equal to 1 2 1 3. Simplify these two matrices, product of two matrices, which is AB. We get -10 -17 2 4, and C matrix is 2 1 1 3. And now we multiply two matrices, and first we confirm number of column is equal to number of row. They are both equal, so conformable for multiplication. Now we multiply these two values. First row with first column, -10 multiplied by 2 is equal to -20, -17 multiplied by 1 is equal to -17. First row with the second column is -10 multiplied by 1 is equal to -10, -17 multiplied by 3 is 51, -51. And second row with the first column, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Second row with the second column, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to plus 12. And now we simplify these values. We get -20 -17 is -37, -10 -51 is equal to -61, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 2 plus 12 is equal to 40. And it is the product of AB bracket into C. And here we saw the right hand side. The left hand side is 37 -61, 8 and 4, and right hand side is the same, -37 -61, 8 and 14. So hence verified. AB C is equal to AB into C. And now we start the part third of question 5, which is A bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. We solve first the left hand side which is A bracket B plus C. Putting the values of A, B and C matrix, and then we solve. The matrix A is -1, 3, 2, 0. Matrix B is 1, 2, -3, -5, plus 2, 1, 1, 3. Bracket close. And we know that the values in the bracket are solved first. So we add B plus C matrix first, and the matrix A is out of the bracket, so we write it and add these two matrices. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, -3 plus 1 is equal to -2, -5 plus 3 is equal to -2. Now we multiply these two matrices and we confirm it. The first two column and the second two rows, they are equal, so they are conformable for multiplication. And now we multiply them. First row with first column, -1 into 3 is equal to -3, -3 multiplied by -2 is equal to 6. First row with the second column is -1 into 3 is equal to -3, 3 multiplied by -2 is equal to -6. Second row with first column is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, plus 0 multiplied by -2 is equal to 0. Second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, plus 0 multiplied by -2 is equal to 0. Now we simplify them, which is -3 minus 6 is equal to -9, -3 minus 6 is equal to -9. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. This is the left hand side of the question. Now we solve the right hand side of the question. The right hand side is equal to AB plus AC. So we put the values of matrix A, B and C in this right side. We get -1, 3, 2, 0, and the B matrix is 1, 2, -3, -5, plus matrix A is -1, 3, 2, 0, and the C is 2, 1, 1, 3. So we multiply these two matrices AB and AC. First we confirm that they are conformable for multiplication. 2 column, 2 row, 2 column and 2 row. They are conformable for multiplication. So now we multiply these two matrices. We get first row with the first column is 1 multiplied by -1 is equal to -1, 3 multiplied by -3 is equal to -9. First row with the second column is -1 into 2 is equal to -2, 3 multiplied by -5 is equal to -15. And second row with the first column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, plus 0 multiplied by -3 is equal to 0. And second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, plus 0 multiplied by -5 is equal to 0, plus, and we multiply the matrices A into C. We get First row with the first column is -1 multiplied by 2 is equal to -2. 3 multiplied by -1 is equal to +3. Sorry. First row with the second column is 1 multiplied by -1 is equal to -1. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to +9. Second row with the first column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 plus 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. Second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 and 0 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. Now simplify these two matrices and we get -1 -9 is equal to -10, -2 -15 is equal to -17. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. First matrix and the second product matrix is -2 plus 3 is equal to 1, -1 plus 9 is equal to 8, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now we add these two matrices. In addition, number of rows and columns both are 2 into 2. So these are conformable for addition. And we add these two matrices, we get -10 plus 1 is equal to -9, -17 plus 8 is equal to -9, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And we saw that the right hand side of matrix AB plus AC is -9, -9, 6 and 6. And on the other hand, left hand side are also -9, -9, 6 and 6. So they are conformable, are verified. A B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. And now we solve the fourth part, which is A bracket B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. In this question, similarly, we solve first the left hand side and then right hand side and verify these two values. Now take left hand side, which is A B minus C. The A matrix is -1 3 2 0 bracket, matrix B is 1 2 -3 -5 and minus C matrix is 2 1 1 3 bracket. And as we know, the values enclosed in the bracket are solved first, so we subtract B minus C and A is remains same, -1 3 2 0, and we subtract these two values, which is 1 minus 2 is equal to -1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, -3 minus 1 is equal to -4, -5 minus 3 is equal to -8. So we multiply these two matrices and they are confirmed, 2 column and 2 row. We multiply these values, first row with the first column, -1 into -1 is equal to +1, -3 -4 is equal to -12. First row with the second column is -1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is equal to -1. 3 multiplied by -8 is equal to -24. Second row, 2 multiplied by -1 is equal to -2. 0 multiplied by -4 is equal to +0. Second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 0 multiplied by -8 is equal to +0. Now simplify these values. We get 1 minus 12 is equal to -11. -1 minus 24 is equal to -25. -2 plus 0 is equal to -2. 2 plus 0 is equal to +2. This is the left hand side of the matrices. And now we solve right hand side, which is AB minus AC. First we write the matrices A, B and C, and we get the matrix A is -1, 3, 2, 0 into matrix B is equal to 1, 2, -3, -5, minus again matrix 1, -1, 3, 2, 0, and second is matrix C, which is 2, 1, 1 and 3. Now we multiply these two matrices A into B and A into C, and we first confirm number of column and number of row. These are both same, 2, 2, and AC number of column 2, number of rows also 2. They are the same, they are confirmable for the multiplication. So we multiply these values first row with the first column. -1 multiplied by 1 is equal to -1. 3 multiplied by -3 is equal to -9. First row with the second column. -1 multiplied by 2 is equal to -2. 3 multiplied by -5 is equal to -15. And second row with the first column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 plus 0 multiplied by -3 is equal to 0. Second row with the second column, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 0 multiplied by -5 is equal to +0. Minus, now multiply matrix A with C. We get first row with first column, -1 multiplied by 2 is equal to -2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. First row with the second column is -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by the 1 is equal to -1 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now second row with first column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 plus 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. And second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 plus 0 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. Now simplify these two values. We get -1 -9 is equal to -10, -2 -15 is equal to -17, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, minus the other two product of two matrices, -2 plus 3 is equal to 1, -1 plus 9 is equal to 8, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now we subtract these two values. We get -10 -1 is equal to -11, -17 -8 is equal to -25, 2 -4 is equal to 2, 4 -2 is equal 2 minus 4 is equal to -2, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And this is the right hand side of the matrix, and we saw and verified. This is the left hand side, minus 11, minus 25, minus 2 and plus 2. And right hand side is minus 11, same, minus 25, minus 2 and plus 2. So they are verified that A B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. 6. We write first matrices. A is equal to minus 1, 3, 2, 0, and B matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5, and C matrix is minus 2, 6, 3 and minus 9. These are the three matrices. So we verify the values in the question. The first part is which we verify, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. We start it at the same time. We put the values A and B and then solve them. Matrix A is minus 1, 3, 2, 0, and B is 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. Whole transpose is equal to B transpose. B is 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5 transpose, and A minus 1, 3, 2 and 0 transpose. In the left side, the two values transpose values of A and B are enclosed in the bracket. So we solve them first we multiply them first and then take transpose. So we multiply A into B and verified first number of column 2, number of row 2. So they are conformable for multiplication. So we multiply these values. Minus first row with first column is minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 9. First row with the second column is minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 2. 3 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to minus 15. Second row with the first column is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, plus 0 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 0. Second row with the second column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, and then 0 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to 0. Transpose. And on the other hand side, right hand side, we take the transpose of both the values B transpose and A transpose. And we know that transpose mean change the number of column into number of rows and number of rows into number of column. This is the transpose of the matrix. So we change them 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5, and take transpose of A, which is minus 1, 3, 2 and 0. Now we simplify these values. We get minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 10, minus 2 minus 15 is equal to minus 17, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, and take transpose. and multiply these two values. Mean first is B transpose and second is A transpose, and we confirm it. Number of column 2, number of row 2. So these are confirmable for multiplication. Let's we multiply these values. 1 multiplied by -1 is equal to -1. -3 multiplied by 3 is equal to -9. First row with the second column is 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. -3 multiplied by 0 is equal to +0. Now second row with the first column, 2 multiplied by -1 is equal to -2. -5 multiplied by 3 is equal to -15. Second row with second column is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. -5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Simplify. Left side we take the transpose of the values. Matrix we get -10, -17, 2, 4. And on the right side, simplify these values. -1, -9 is equal to -10. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. -2, -15 is equal to -17. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So they are both the same values. So verified. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. And it is the first part of question 6. Now we start the second part of question 6, in which BC whole transpose is equal to C transpose into B transpose. Now first we put the values of BC and then solve. Matrix B is 1, 2, -3, -5 matrix, and the C is -2, 6, 3, -9. Transpose is equal to first C 2, -2, 6, 3, -9 transpose, and then B, which is 1, 2, -3, -5 transpose. At the same time we solve these values and get the answer. The left side, we know that the values enclosed in the bracket, solve them first. So we multiply these two values, these two matrices first, and we confirm them. Number of column is equal to number of rows, 2, 2, confirmable for multiplication. So we multiply these two values. First row with first column is 1 multiplied by -2 is equal to -2, plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to +6. First row with second column is 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by -9 is equal to -18. Second row with the first column is -3 multiplied by -2 is equal to +6. -5 multiplied by 3 is equal to -15. Second row with the second column is -3 multiplied by 6 is equal to -18. -5 multiplied by -9 is equal to +45. Transpose. And on the right hand side we take first transpose and then multiply these two values, which are -2, 6, 3, -9, and the second matrix is 1, 2, -3, -5. We take the transpose of C and B matrix first and then we multiply. and on the left hand side we first B multiplied by C because they are enclosed in the bracket, and then take transpose. Now first we simplify these two values. Minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. 6 minus 18 is equal to minus 12. 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. Minus 18 plus 45 is equal to 27 plus 27. And multiply these two values and we confirm first. Number of column 2, number of rows 2, they are the same, they are confirmable for multiplication. Now we multiply these two values. First row with first column is minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to plus 6. First row with second column is minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to plus 6. 3 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to minus 15. Second row with first column is 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Minus 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 8. Second row with the second column is 6 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 18 plus minus 9 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to plus 45. Now on the left side we take transpose of the matrix BC. We get 4 minus 12 minus 9 and 27. And the right hand side we simplify these values. We get minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. 6 minus 18 is equal to minus 12. 18 minus 18 plus 45 is equal to 27. And these two values of BC whole transpose is equal to C transpose into B transpose are same. So this is verified. BC whole transpose is equal to C transpose B transpose. And thank you very much. This is we complete our exercise 1.4 and it is the question 6. Thank you very much.